여러분 안녕하세요. Today we will learn Hangul, the Korean alphabet. The Korean alphabet, known as Hangul, is a writing system for the Korean language created by King Sejong the Great in 1443. There are 40 letters in Korean, 21 vowels, a poem, 19 consonants, a town. Let's learn the 21 vowels first. 10 simple vowels and 11 compound vowels make a total of 21 vowels. Vowels are written from top to bottom and from the left to right. Now please listen and repeat after me. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. Korean syllables are organized into blocks of letters that have a beginning consonant, a middle vowel, and an optional final consonant. A syllable block is composed of a minimum of 2 letters, consisting of at least 1 consonant and 1 vowel. Words are written from left to right, and words are formed by writing each syllable in a block-like shape. Each letter inside the block forms a sound. Please look at the syllabic block. To make a syllable, we need a vowel, and the syllabic block consists of consonants and vowels. A consonant can be at the first and final position, and vowel will be the second position. While writing only one vowel, it must be written with the consonant ing, which acts as a silent placeholder for the consonant position. If one wants to write the vowel a, they would have to write it as a with ing being a silent placeholder for the consonant position. An easy way to remember this is to think of the ing as a 0. The vowels in left side in its original form and the vowels in right side are used in written form. They are pronounced as the same, like a is pronounced as a, ya, o, yo, o, yo, you, e, uyu, milk, o이, cucumber. Now we will learn 19 consonants in Hangul. There are 14 simple consonants and 5 double consonants in Hangul. Kiok. Its pronunciation is like K or G sound. It sounds more like between K and G sound. It can't form a sound by itself. In order to have a sound, we need to add a vowel with it. Let's put a with it. Kiok plus a, ka. Kiok plus i, ki. Kuka, country. Kuka, country. Let's learn an example word of kiok. Niun. It is pronounced N sound. Niun plus a. Na. Diun plus E, li. The example word of niyin is nara, na, la, nara, country. Tigut. Tigut is pronounced D sounds or T sounds in English. It sounds more like between D or T sound. Tigut plus A, ta, ta. Tigut plus E, ti, ti. Tari, ta, ri, tari, leg. Real, real. There is no exact match for real in English. It's somewhere between L or R sound. La, kirin, kirin. Giraffe. Mium, mium. Mium plus A, ma, ma. Boom, boom. Body. Pupe, pupe. Pupe plus A, pa, pa, pa. Banana, banana. Shoot. Shoot is pronounced like S or SH sound. Shoot plus R, 사, 사. 사랑, 사랑, 사랑. Love. 이응. 이응 is silent, but if it's used at the final position, sounds like ng. 이응 plus 아, 아니, no. 사랑, 사랑, love. 지읒 sounds like J in English. 지읒 plus 아, 자, 자. 진, true. 지읒, 지읒 sounds like CH. 지읒 plus 아, 차, 차. 처럼, 처럼, like. 기욱, 기욱, K sound. 기욱 plus 아, car, 카메라, 카메라, camera. tooth, tooth, T sound. tooth plus 아, 타, 타. 티셔츠, t-shirt. pupe, pupe, P sound. pupe plus 아, 파, 파. 양파, onion. Youth, youth, H sound. Youth plus 아, 하, 하, han. Now let's read all simple 14 consonants all together. G, ga, n, na, d, da, l, la, m, ba, p, ba, s, sa. 이응, silent. 아, 즈, 자, 자. 치, 차, 차. 크, 가, 트, 다. 프, 파. This time we will be learning 11 compound vowels. E, ye, ye, wa. This is the combination of O and A sound. We. This is combination of O sound and A sound. O, A, we. Although it's combination of O sound and E sound, it pronounced we. Wo. We. This is combination of O sound and A sound. We. Although their pronunciation is slightly different, but no difference is made in real conversation. We. U. I. We. Ui. 책상, desk, 제목, title, 왜, why. It's time to learn 5 double consonants or tensed consonants. 쌍gyok. Sang means pair. It's pronounced as KK sound. 쌍gyok plus A, ka. 쌍디귿. It is pronounced as a TT sound. 쌍디귿 plus A, ta. 쌍비읍, double P sound. 쌍비읍 plus A, pa. 쌍시읒, SS sound. 쌍시읒 plus A, sa. 쌍지읒, JJ sound. 쌍지읒 plus A, 짜. 토끼, rabbit. 아빠, father. Okay, it's time to learn 받침 or final consonants. Final consonant is a consonant placed at the bottom and pronounced at the end in a Korean syllable block. 받침 means support or prop because it supports other letters from below. All consonants are used as 받침 except for 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍지읒. 기역, 키읔, 쌍기역. They are all pronounced as a K sound when they are used as final consonant. For example, 약, 책, 부엌, 박, 니은, N sound, 한국, 잔, 디귿, 시읒, 지읒, 치읒, 티읒, 히읗, 쌍시읒. They are all make T sound as final consonant. 듣, 밑, 꽃, 셋, 낫, 꽃, 밭, 있다, 있다. There another different rule for hit as 받침. Hit make no sound or get combined with the next consonant. For example, 좋아, 좋아. Next, 리을, L sound. 살, 말, 미음, M sound. 밤, 엄마. 피읍, 피읍. They both make P sound. 밥, 밥. 이응, NG sound. 빵, 랑, 강. Your final double consonant is 받침. 니은, 지읒, 니은, 히읗, 리을, 피읍, 피읍, 시읒, 리을, 기억, 리을, 미음. In the case of 니은, 지읒, 니은, 히읗, 리을, 피읍, 피읍, 시읒, only the first consonant is pronounced. For example, 안타, 안타. Here only first consonant 니은 is pronounced, not 지읒. 안타, 안타, 많다, 많다. 여덟, 갑, 갑. As for 리을, 기억, 리을, 미음, 리을 is not pronounced. The pronunciation follows the second consonant, like 막다, 막다, 읽다, 삶. Okay, 여러분, now it's time to practice. 끝, and, 옷, clothes, not, daytime, 밖, outside, 읽다, to read, 문, door, 닫다, to close, 눕다, to put down, 별, star, 삶, life, 강, river.